Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen twice, and you want to look for the hotspot toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. And if it's still not visible, like it's not for me, we might need to click right, oh there we go, on this pencil, swipe down and look for the hotspot toggle, which, there we go, it's right over here. So once you see it, you're gonna hold it and then drag it above this text right here. There we go. Go back. And now you should have access to it on one of the pages. Now you can tap on it right now to turn it on, but what I recommend actually doing the first time is holding it again, and this will take you to the settings. Now in here, select hotspot password, which will reveal the randomly generated password. Now we can get rid of this one. I personally don't like randomly generated passwords, so I'm gonna set up mine, which is going to be very simple, just like my memory. And now it does need to have only 8 characters in length, at which point you can just click on OK to save it. And you can use letters or numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, close this up, find the toggle once more, and this time around just tap on it to enable it whenever you want to use your hotspot. Now you'll also need to remember to turn it off, as hotspot will use more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background, so just click on the toggle once more and this will turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.